For quite a few weeks I have been working on this lion drawing, colored pencil drawing of a lion. Had a bit of a break in December, but I'm ready to continue working on it again, and I'll show you how I create the fur on this fellow. So with a colored pencil drawing, it's a bit of a different technique than when you only work with graphite pencils. You have to make sure that you of course have the right colors. I'll show you the image which I use for this drawing. This is the image I'm using for the drawing, and it's really important that you of course use the right colors for it. And these are the colors I'm using: black, brown, light brown, orange, bit of grayish, and a bit of a lighter ochre kind of color. So what I start with is just setting up a bit of a, how do you call that, a foundation, a base, because you want the fur to be really full and colorful. So it's good to start with a bit of a base, and I do that with this light ochre color. I started a bit already, as you can see. It is important that you do this in the same direction as the fur is going. So like, not like this, because the fur goes like in that direction, like that. So you're not gonna like color like that. That doesn't work. Better to do it like this. And when I work with graphite pencil, when I just make a drawing in black and white, I never do this. I don't start setting up a foundation color like this. But I found out with colored pencil that it's better to do that. Okay, then the next step is start with the kind of a orangey color to fill in some of the fur. So I'll show you which part we're going to be working on now. It's this part. You see that that's quite a lot of orange in there, some brown and orange. So that's what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna just start with an orange. So we're just gonna fill this in like this. You just make very short strokes in the direction that the fur is going. Never go against the direction of where the fur is going. It's actually also a little bit of a part of the first setup, the foundation of it. Because later we're gonna fill it in with darker hairs, darker fur. We take a bit of a dark brown and then we start to make this darker. Again, just tiny little strokes. Don't press too hard. Challenge is to make it look really soft. You want to make it really soft. Takes quite a lot of patience, and the more layers you can put over it, the fuller it will look, the more colorful and fuller it will look. Now we're going to start with the black. There's quite a lot of black in it, and very dark. So take a black pencil now, and then we start. The black, you have to be really careful. You don't want to start too dark. You can always add pencil. You can always make it darker. It's very important. It's very difficult to make it lighter, since you don't want to use an eraser in a colored pencil drawing, because that just gives a lot of smudges and it's just not going to look good. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I see that my batteries are almost down of my camera, so later I will make another tutorial, show you some more about how I draw this fur, but I'll end this video here. Hope you found it useful, and I hope to see you with my next videos again. Bye!